Welcome to our SEMA Vehicle Technology Briefing Seminar program. I'm John Warniak, Vice President of Vehicle Technology. Up next in our video series is the Performance Branding and Design Forum. Now, if you take the design and the branding, they're actually blending together. And our SEMA members know that because automakers can give a car a heart, SEMA members, you give a car a soul. Enjoy the video.
Aircraft have been a timeless source of passionate, functional design because they are high-performance vehicles, very serious, but the aesthetic is derived from the function and done beautifully.
There's nothing like designing a car and then designing the outfit for the girl next to the car. Because then you have like the bookends. You know, now you've got, oh my God, you know, we've got everything working here.
We went from selling 2 trucks a year to 30 a month, fairly overnight. As you can see, they're designed differently from what you'd see from the factory. It's something that we wanted to make unique to an individual. These are the types of trucks that you'd see just walking into the dealership, which made us, separated us from many other dealerships at the time.
So within our group, we have, and I think at Adidas, we have 6 principles of innovation. And I don't think that these are anything different than the way that this distinguished panel looks at how they approach design and innovating. But these are things that are critical to how we approach the things that we do. And they kind of go in order. So first of all, you can't assume anything. So if you assume that you know the answer, you'll never ask the right question. And that won't lead you to where you need to go. So assumption, we think assumption is the sworn enemy of great ideas. So never assume anything. Walk a mile in someone else's subconscious. I think that's a really interesting point.
And if you look at what we're doing in Detroit, we're not just assembling watches, but we're assembling motors. They're itty-bitty little quartz motors that are in our watches, and they make the watches tick. And so where else would you go in our country to make motors, right? You go to Detroit. And so we love Detroit, and Detroit's our home, and I live in the city of Detroit.
I hope you enjoyed that video on performance branding and design. You know, cars are social by design. The next generation is just getting into the car lifestyle. I think we're going to see a lot more of that. And you may have heard the term brand democracy in the video. Brand democracy is basically turning your brand over to the consumers, and consumers becoming part of your brand. If you want to learn more about performance design and branding, please go to SEMAgarage.com.